Jefferson County, North Central Brown County, South.
I was watching a show on the Weather Channel until this happened.
1:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Fisherston near Indianapolis to 11 miles northwest of Martinsville, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Shelbyville, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Greenwood, Lawrence, Plainfield, Franklin, Greenfield, Beech Grove, Martinsville, Speedway, Mooresville, Southport, Westfield, Avon, New Whiteland, Cumberland, and McCordsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 60.
It went out. I don't know what just happened. Kept on scratching and stuff, so I couldn't do the end part. I am super sorry for those who wanted to hear that. I apologize for that. But I hope you enjoyed the alert.